Hello everybody. In this video I will explain how to add AdSense ad on your Joomla website. So I have one new website and I will place AdSense ad on this website. So we have to go to Joomla administrator panel. In AdSense window, if you open your AdSense account, it's a brand new AdSense account I have recently approved. So what we have to do, we have to place some ads in new AdSense. If you go to my ads, you have certain options. There is one new option of auto ads. So when you will click on my ads, you will direct it to auto ads section. So if you want to enable auto ads on your website, you can just create new URL group and you can select your website, or you can add URL and add your website here. Okay, in our case we want to add custom ads to our website. So for that we will go to add units section, and in ads unit we can add new ads. Let's go to Joomla administrator panel, and we will also open the front website here. So we want to place some ads on our website. Okay, here we can create new ads or delete the older ads, or we can also edit any ad type. For creating a new tab, we will click on new ad unit, and here we will find some options. Matched content ads are the ads which are related to your website. It's these ads are very engaging, so the users on your website will see the matched content ads, and they will move to the other sections of your websites. In feed ads and in article ads are used within the articles or feeds inside your website, and the main type of these ads are text and display ads. So we'll click on text and display ads, and we will create a new ad. So for example, we want to add a new ad on this website on the, I think, right this section. Okay, so we will find the position of this section pp equal 1 for watching the positions on the modules. So we have a right position here, and this position is highlighted, but the main page of the website is using the custom SP builder page. So I will on the home page I will add the custom ads separately. So now I will add a right, here I will add forwarder books right ad, and here in text ad styles we can change some styles. So we can select some style, or we can create our own style as well. So here I will select this one. Also note that this is a responsive ad we have selected, so this ad will be responsive on multiple devices. Otherwise you can select your own size here. Okay, horizontal banner, you have some options here. You can also create a custom size, whatever you want, but in this case we will apply the responsive one. So after that we have to click on save and get code, and we will get the code of our ad. So we have to copy this code here, and we will go to our website, and in Joomla I will suggest you that first go to your global configuration for this specific task, and then default editor you have to change this editor to none. Okay, and then save. Then go to extensions and modules and add a new module here, new, and we have to add custom module, and here we will add our code. We will select our position right, and we can hide the title or we can show the title. So in our case we will not show the title, so AdSense add right, and in menu assignment we can select the menus. We can display on all menus, but in our case we will display on all menus except home page. Okay, so that's it. Our ad is successfully added to our website. After some time it will be visible. In this way you can add your custom ads anywhere, and on the home page we will add some ad on this here. I think before this section we can add, or after this section and popular product section we can add anywhere. So we have SP page builder in our case for home menu and home to style. In your case you can do according to your website. So here is one block 3, and in block 3 there is a Joomla module after carousel and here. So we can add one add-on here, and here we will add some text block, or we can add Joomla module also. So actually the text block we can't use because the text block is just showing the text version, so we need actually the code, so we can't use this one. We can just cancel this, and here actually I am not very much aware of this add new row. Yeah, here we can add a new row. Okay, that's fine, row option. So from here we can have add new row. Yeah, so we will create one module here, module and new custom. We can create some more ads. Home top, and we can choose our style. Let's choose this one, and then we can copy and paste our code here. Home page top ad, and here we can select any position, or no position is also fine. So menu assignment on all pages is fine, no problem, because we have not selected any position. So here now we will add one row, add new row, and in this row we will add our add-on, and for that we will select Joomla module, and here we will add our module. So we have home page top ad here, so we have selected this one. We can add some title if we want. Anyhow, we don't need in this case, just we will click on apply, and our ad is successfully added on our home page. After that we will here on the right side we want one more module, so we will add one more module here, and we can create one new module for new ad, and forwarders puts home right ad, and we can select some style and get the code. Copy the code, home add right. Now we will add one add-on, Joomla module, home add right, and apply. That's it. We have successfully added our AdSense ads, and after some time these ads will be appear on our website. So you can see I have enabled the ad blocker, and as you can see here our ad blocker is working. So we have 2 ads on our website. Let's open a new window. Let's check our ads here. Usually these ads displayed after 5 to 10 minutes from my experience, so that will be visible. Sometimes instantly they are visible. You can see the space here. Okay, so here is the space and here is the space for ads. And on the inner pages, if we go to inner page, then you will find on right side you can see there is a space for the ads. So we have successfully added the AdSense ads on our Joomla website. Thank you very much.